Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about a lot, boy, you speak French now.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mackenzie Drake. Nice to see ya, nice to meet ya. You can tell by my voice and my sniffles, I'm fucking sick again. I'm sick again. Cause Kylie visited for Christmas and she was sick, and then I got Ava sick, and then now I'm finally sick. So it's rough. Sorry the lighting's hella weird. It's just really dark behind me. I really don't care enough to change it because New Year's Eve right now, so I hope everyone's having an amazing New Year's. I'm just staying my ass in the house tonight. I'm not doing nothing. This was my main task of the day. My eyes are like burning. I don't know how I sat and did my makeup. Like, I have a whole ass fever. I wanted to make some TikToks, and then I go on my TikTok and it's like blocked from posting until tomorrow, and I was like, okay, fuck me, I guess. I'm sick of getting guideline violations for dumb shit when people are literally naked on that app. Like, it's irking my nerves. But before anyone asks, this shirt's from Fashion Nova, so bear with me in this video if I'm talking slow and my eyes are shut because this light's killing me. I just really wanted to get this video up hopefully before tomorrow. I don't know, we're just gonna have to see. But today I'm gonna be showing you guys what I got for Christmas. I didn't get like a whole bunch of stuff, but I like showing you guys every year what I do get. Some big gifts for Christmas, so I'm excited to show you guys. If you hear a fog or you see steam, it's because I have like literally a steamer right here, you know, trying to clear out the airways. I just have the worst like headache and cough and like nose is running. It's just like I've literally been sick all throughout November, December, and I'm sick of it. I thought this break I wasn't gonna be sick, but Kylie really had to come and be sick. I'm like, I'm really sick of it. It's fine. It's fine. But before we get started, I do want to thank the sponsor for this video, Coupert. It's a free browser and web extension for fashion. Literally any item you can buy online pop up when you're done shopping on a website, and it'll give you options to save money. That's basically it. Installation of this browser extension is hella simple. I'm just gonna put in a little like screen recording, basic Google Chrome extension. You just hit download, boom, and it's gonna have like the little symbol in the little corner. Every time you have a cart, whether you finish your Shein cart, your Fashion Nova cart, it'll pop up and tell you how you can save money, which stores can give you the most cash back, all of that kinds of stuff. If you shop online a lot like me, there's really nothing stopping you from just downloading a browser extension that gives you free coupons, because like ways to save money online nowadays. So I'm giving you one. Everyone go download it. I'll put my link first thing in the description. They have almost every website you could ever imagine: Nike, H&M, all the makeup stores, Walmart, and literally everything. So I will put the link first thing down below. Make sure you guys go check it out and download it. It's just a simple click on your Google Chrome or whatever browser you use, and it downloads it automatically, and you don't have to click anything when you get to your cart. It'll just automatically pop up with saving. There's so many ways you can save money through this extension, whether it's cashback or just coupons. So I really do recommend it. I use it every time that I go shopping online. Why wouldn't I? Who doesn't want to save money? I say this every time. Who doesn't want to save money? You want to spend more money? Okay, don't download it. But if you want to save money, go download it. And also, this video is a little bit different. They decided to give me the opportunity to do a giveaway for Coupert gift cards. The first winner gets a $50 gift card, the second winner gets a $20 gift card, and the third winner gets a $10 gift card. All you have to do is subscribe to me on YouTube, go follow me on TikTok at Mackenzie Drake with 2 E's at the end, and then comment down below the email that you use associated with the Coupert extension. So when you download it, the email that's associated with your account. Just comment that down below, and then they will choose very soon who is the winner. So that's everything with Coupert. Thank you so much for sponsoring my channel. I appreciate it every time. It means the world to me. And now I'm just gonna get into my little what I got for Christmas haul. So I'm first gonna start with the big items. I asked my mom for all these. Majority, I'm pretty sure, are the big items. So the first thing I got is a black pair of fur Crocs. I've been wanting fur Crocs for so long, and it's really hard to see with this lighting. This lighting's fucked up, I'm sorry, but they're just little black fur Crocs. I've been wearing them all the time already. I love them so much. Thank you so much, Mama and Papa. I appreciate it. I love them. I want to get more little pins for my Crocs, but this is it. I got them in a size 10, maybe 9.5 or 10, but they're just off Amazon, I'm pretty sure. Fuck y'all. If y'all are sick right now, let me know, because I can't do this alone. This is I literally never get sick, and then this past year and ever since I got COVID, I've just been getting back-to-back sick. I'm like, what the fuck? I'm so pissed. So I asked my mom to give me some socks. She just got me these Nike. I've already opened them and went into them, but these are the Nike Everyday Plus Cotton Cushion Low. They're like women 10 to 13. I just don't have any like white ankle ones like this. I only have black, so I wanted to get just simple white ones. We love it. And then my mom also got me Christmas socks. She gets us Christmas socks like every single year. So for one of the big items, I got a new phone. It's looking rough. It doesn't have a screen protector or a case yet. I still need to get those, but this is the iPhone 13. Not the Max or anything, it's just a regular, but I'm in love with it. It's updated. I never update my phone, so it's finally updated. The quality is pretty nice. Just need to get a case and a screen protector before I break this thing, because I'm going to. I need to get a case. My mom also got me a $50 Kohl's gift card, so I'm gonna go to Kohl's at some point. I wanted to go to Kohl's and go to Ulta and get my own gifts before I film this, but I just thought it was easier if I just do it now. I'm gonna try to find a case there or something. I don't know if Kohl's has cases, but we shall see. And then my mom got me an Airpod Pros. Kylie was very salty, but she's fine. She'll live with it. But I got Airpod Pros. I've been missing my AirPods for, I think, 2 years. I didn't miss both of them. I didn't lose both of them, but I lost one, so I literally just got rid of them. But now I have Airpod Pros. And this shit is crazy. When they say noise cancellation, that shit is real, because you put them in and it just blocks everything out. It's so wild, but I'm so happy I finally got them again. I've been missing AirPods so freaking much, so much. I lost my debit card and it finally came in the mail, so huzzah, I'm happy about that. Not a Christmas gift, but and then my mom decided to get me and Kylie this ramen. She thinks she's so funny. But Kylie forgot her ramen, so they're both my ramen now. So they're chicken, the best motherfucking flavor on the market. Don't at me. And then every year my mom gets us toothbrush and toothpaste. It's really not, it's always happening, but she splurged this year. We got a little spin brush. She's very nice. I'm happy to open it now. I've been trying not to touch this shit so I could do my haul. And then just some Crest toothpaste. So I'm happy I have another spin brush, because I got one on Amazon and it broke. And then she got some Hemp and Shea Hydration Blistex. We love that. My lips are always dry. And then she gave she gave us all some Starburst. That was all in our stocking. didn't get a lot, but I'm so happy with what I did get, because new phone, new AirPods, fur Crocs, like that is exactly what I wanted. So I'm beyond blessed, so happy I got those things. Oh my gosh, I can't do this light anymore. Oh fuck. Bitch got an Ulta credit card for Christmas. I signed myself up for it around Christmas, so I'm gonna just say I did it for Christmas. So we might have an Ulta haul coming up, because I need to get new dip brow, new brushes. I need to get new, like, fucking everything. The way all my brushes are old. And I'm using dip brow that's 4 years old, 5 years old. That's not even from Anastasia. We need to upgrade. And they have press-on nails there, so I want to get some press-on nails. But guess what the fuck happened? My car decided to break the fuck down. I went to Party City with my friends, and then we came back out, and I tried to start my car, and it did nothing. Like, no lights even tried to blink, and I was so scared I killed it. But my dad came, and he jumped it, and it's just the battery. And then we go to AutoZone, and they're like, well, it's a full battery now, like, just do some drives. And then 2 nights ago I tried it again outside, like at night, and it didn't start, so I have to go to AutoZone again. I've been sick, so I don't even have the energy, but I need my car to fucking work, because my dog pulled out my nipple ring, so she is closing as we speak. I don't know where the nipple ring is, and I'm so fucking pissed, because I do not want to get it re-pierced, and I feel like it's closing up. My end of 2021 has just been interesting, to say the least. You know, it's just throwing all the last shit it can at me before 2022. But now I'm gonna change into something more comfortable. Go sit on the couch, eat hot dogs and sauerkraut, and wait for the ball to drop. I heard Miley Cyrus is hosting tonight. That's very exciting. That's a good choice. That was a good choice, because Miley Cyrus would be like the perfect host. But yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing new year and your holidays have been great. This next semester is gonna creep up really fast. Like, I feel like I haven't even rested. Like, now I'm sick again. Like, I can't get sick again. I can't even function, like, especially with practice and shit. Like, I can't even do it. But that's everything. Make sure y'all go check out Coupert. I will put the link down below. Enter the giveaway, and I will see you in my next YouTube video. Peace out, Girl Scout.